In this video, I will show you how you can use WhatsApp on your Samsung tablet without a SIM card. Now to do that, you will need to have WhatsApp opened on your smartphone. Now I have WhatsApp opened on my iPhone, but the process is also similar even if you have an Android phone. Now first of all, just install WhatsApp on your tablet. As you can see, I have already installed WhatsApp, but if it is not downloaded on your tablet, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Just look for WhatsApp and you can download it from here. Once you download WhatsApp, then just tap on open, and after you arrive on this page, just go to the language section over here, and from this list just select your language, then tap on agree and continue, and after you arrive on this page, just tap on the three dots over here and select link as companion device. And once you do that, you will find the QR code on the screen. On your smartphone, just open WhatsApp. Now if you have an Android phone, just tap on the three dots over here, then a pop-up menu will show on the screen, and from there just tap on link device. But if you have an iPhone, just tap on U at the bottom of the screen, and from this page just select link device. Then tap on link a device and enter your lock screen PIN. Now from here just tap on OK to start scanning. Now just scan this QR code using your phone. And after you scan this QR code, you will sync the WhatsApp on your phone to your tablet, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.